When it comes to making dinner this time of year, we look for ideas that are fresh and quick, and whenever possible, take advantage of our bounty of fresh veggies. With that in mind, I know you're going to love today's light-tasting pasta dish that's tossed with a confetti of roasted veggies. We start by cutting up a few plum tomatoes, some zucchini, summer squash, and an onion. All that goes into a bowl and gets tossed with some olive oil, garlic, salt and pepper. Next, we place our veggies on a ribbed baking sheet and into a hot oven they go until they're tender and the edges are brown. While they roast, we'll boil up some angel hair pasta, and that can be regular or whole grain. Once our pasta is tender, we'll drain it, then we'll toss it with the roasted veggies and the pan drippings, a little fresh basil, and a bit of grated Parmesan cheese, and it's time to dig in. Simple, yes. Fresh tasting, you bet. Budget friendly, of course it is. To get the easy recipe for our fresh garden pasta, simply visit our website. I'm Howard with Kelly, our resident pasta lover in the Mr. Food Test Kitchen, where today we found a fresh from the garden way for you to say, ooh, it's so good.